is we're going to talk about leading through change by using your values and communicating your values. Are you ready to walk your talk? Is what you know about yourself and what you see in the mirror aligned? Can you say yes to that question? And if you can, are you making the most of the opportunity that gives you? So how do we find our values? What influences us? And how do we know them when we see them? Your values can be a nature and nurture conversation, right? Some of the things we learn from reading and other educational opportunities. Some things are taught to us by the culture that we're raised in. And some we ultimately choose for ourselves. What I want to get to is the so what. So what, leading ladies, are we going to do with our values once we know them? First is to trust those values in our decision making. When we're faced with hard decisions, we have to trust in those values to help us guide us, help us do the right thing, even if it's hard. This can take shape in our professional lives and how we make decisions about job opportunities, how we approach and deal with problem employees, how we assess and we take action when something is out of alignment. This can sometimes mean that we need to act when something is wrong, and we need to let our values propel us to action. For me, this meant early in my career, I left a job that I loved. I'd alerted my chain of command to some sexual harassment that was going on in the office multiple times. And when they would not act on what I had shared with them, I quit my job with no safe place to land. What are you willing to lose in order to get after diversity and inclusion? I was willing to lose my job when my values did not align with our office culture. The idea of values driving us to action is especially important as we help manage change, both for ourselves and in the team we lead.